In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your age on YouTube. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So if you made a mistake on setting your age and you want to change it, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. So the first step is that you want to leave YouTube. Once you do that, go over to your Gmail. So once you're on Gmail, switch on to the email, or rather the YouTube account, or the email you used when creating a YouTube account. Switch to that email so that you can easily change your age. So let's say I created a YouTube account with this email right over here, and I would like to change the age of that email, or rather the email connected to my YouTube channel. I'm just going to easily select that particular email. So once you have selected the email you'd like to change the age of, click onto your profile once more, and then click on the Manage Your Google Account option. This is then going to take you over to your email settings. Then what you want to do now is that you want to click on the Personal Info option, or the Personal Info tab, and then scroll down. And as you can see, under the Basic Info, there's an option called Birthday. Click on it, and from here you'll be able to change your age. For example, mine says July. I can easily change it to, let's say, my birthday month, let's say October, and then the day, and then the year. Maybe the year, I change the year maybe to something like this. And maybe let's say that's my year of birth, and the day of birth maybe is, for example, 9, something like that. So once you're done setting or changing your age, you can then easily save. But if you want to let everybody see, or anyone see your age, you can simply set it to anyone. But if you only want to see, you can leave it to only you. As you can see, mine is refreshed. I mistakenly refreshed it. Now it has gone back to the default. Let me just change it to the one that I set it, which is October, and then 1998, and then the day, it was 9. So yeah, this is what I set it to. So as you can see, it says only you. This means only you be able to see this information. But if you want everybody to see it, you can easily switch to anyone, and everybody will be able to see it. So once you're done setting those few settings, what you want to do now is that you want to click the Save option. So click on the Save option, and it's then going to ask you to, or rather it's going to say, do you want to confirm this is your birthday? And says, for example, confirm birthday. You are 26 years old. Is that correct? And click on the Confirm option. And my birthday has successfully been updated. So that's how you can easily change your age on YouTube. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.